and more so that they filed their reply on Saturday. We got the full information about the situation of the applicant in prison. Your Worship, therefore, procedurally, I'm wondering and seek the court's guidance as to where the submissions he has made now stand, having filed their response, leaving those issues out. Your Worship, it is the prosecution's submission that our written submissions be adopted by the court and that they be relied upon in arriving at the decision in this matter. Also pray, Your Worship.
In less than a minute, first I want to thank the wisdom that guided my learned friend not to interrupt. And that was justified because the accused person remains on remand until further notice from this honorable court. The issues I highlighted were issues of concern, and they were just a summary of what we submitted. We just picked out one aspect which is urgent. That said, and having thanked my learned friend, we equally rely on what we submitted earlier. As to where my concerns and requests were going, Your Worship, they still come to you. That in the unlikely event that the ruling is not ready, it is still your power. This one is your prisoner. You decide where to take him. Yeah. Oh, unfortunately, we didn't see that. It's not fair. Thank you, Worship.
Yes, court gave timelines within which to file submissions. The same were complied with by all the parties and were admitted. State complied by Friday. Council made an issue by Saturday 11 p.m. you are filed and I admitted them. Yes, so court will stand this over for a ruling at 2 p.m. on the day of application.
That's not right.